Hi guys, today I have a refreshing summer cocktail recipe for you for a Moscow Mule cocktail. For the cocktail you need limes or lemons, one fresh ginger, some ice, vodka and ginger beer. First, half the lime and cut one half of the lime into thin slices. Then you want to juice the second half of the lime and also prepare the ginger. So I just removed this part of the ginger and after that I cut the ginger into really thin slices. First you want to fill up a glass with ice and then if you like add some lime zest. This is optional, you don't have to do this. Then add in 2 centiliters of lime juice, 4 centiliters of vodka and fill the glass with ginger beer. Now give it a short mix and garnish with a slice of fresh ginger and lime. For the lemon version, you want to do the same. Half the lemon, cut one half of the lemon into thin slices. After that, juice the second half of the lemon and you can start assembling your cocktail. First, fill up the glass with ice. Then again, if you like, add some lemon zest. This is optional, you don't need to do this. Then add 2 centiliters of lemon juice, 4 centiliters of vodka and fill the glass with ginger beer. Give it a short mix and garnish with fresh ginger and lemon. Enjoy your cocktails!